Welcome to my class. This question has been sent to me by one of my students, and this question seems to be an interesting question. Let's try and solve this question. Aarush sat down to study at 8 a.m. and the angle of elevation of the sun was 15 degree when when he had finished studying, the angle of elevation of the sun was 55 degrees. Now let us suppose this is our horizon and sun rises in the east. So this is the position when the sun is rising, and this is a 0 degrees position. Okay, and let's assume that the sun sets in the west, the position which is making 180 degrees of angle with the initial position. Okay, all right. So we are given that at 8 a.m. the angle of elevation of sun was 15 degrees. Let's say this is the position at 8 a.m. and let's say this Aarush is sitting somewhere here, and this is 15 degrees angle of elevation. I think you remember from our discussion on some applications of trigonometry that uh, angle of elevation and angle of depression is always made with the horizontal. Okay, so and other information is that when he finished studying, the angle of elevation of sun was 55 degrees. So let's say this was the position when he finished studying, and this angle is 55 degrees. Okay, so what is the net change of angle from his initial position, from the time when he started studying and when he finished studying? The total change of angle was 55 degrees minus 15 degrees. It was equal to 40 degrees. And let me tell you, there is one more position where the angle of elevation will be 55 degrees when the sun comes here. Again it will make 55 degrees of angle of elevation with our observer. Aarush is sitting here. So there will be two positions, one here and again at this time when the angle of elevation will be 55 degrees. So assuming that the sun rises exactly after 24 hours, so what we can say is that the sun completes one revolution in 24 hours. Completes one revolution in 24 hours, thereby making an angle of 360 degrees. So 360 degrees of angle is covered in 24 hours. So we can say that 1 degrees of angle is covered in 24 by 360, and 40 degrees of angle is covered in into 40. So which makes it 8 by 3 hours. So when he started studying at 8 a.m. and when he finished studying, the sun covered an angle of 40 degrees, and it takes 8 by 3 hours, or you can say, if you convert it into minutes, then it will become 8 by 3 into 60 minutes, which is 160 minutes, and which translates into 2 hours and 40 minutes. So out of the given choices, fourth choice is the correct choice for this question. And let's study about the other position also. Now when the sun comes at this position, the total angle from when he started studying and when he finished studying was 110. Okay, I've just done this 180 minus 15 minus 55, and the remaining angle is 110. So the other position when the sun is at 55 degrees of angle of elevation from Aarush is this position, and this position comes after, let's say, how many hours? 24 by 360 into 110, which translates into 22 by 3 hours. And this is not okay, this is not the given answer choice, so we will go by the first choice, 8 by 3 hours, which is 2 hours and 40 minutes. Thank you.